Roll call, please.
Honorable Elmer S. Balimoro, Chairman, and Honorable T.R. Albiu, Co-Chairman.
JP, pa-revive mic mo.
Honorable Elmer S. Baldimoro, Chairman present. Honorable Jesse R. Albius, Co-Chairman present. Honorable Vito C. Borja II, Member absent. Honorable Hilda Gail R. Abunal Gomez, Member present. Honorable Jefferson Romeo B. Felix, Member present. Ms. B.J. De Asis, NC GADC Representative present. Mr. Elmer T. Santo Domingo Jr., NCPC Representative absent. Punong Barangay Alfonso R. Rodriguez, Liga Representative present. Honorable Chair, there is a quorum.
We also acknowledge the presence of Councilor Nathan Serio and the Social Protection and Inclusion Cluster. So we proceed. We will present for the Social Protection Cluster. Okay. So we start for the income. Mr. Dave Bercasio. So we acknowledge the presence of our CPDO head, Mr. Wilfredo Prilles.
Thank you, Your Honors. Maraming hapon po.
Good afternoon.
The next two slides were taken mainly from the presentation material of Mayor Lenny Robredo, in as much as we draw from the same document. I just want to highlight the fact that for the next year, we're looking at an estimated income of 2.122 billion pesos. And this is broken down into 1.2 billion from national sources, as well as 888.9 million for local sources. Ano po ang mensahe kani? The message there is that while we continue to diversify our sources of income, the NTA, na national sources, remain dominant. And in regard to the local sources, the 888 million actually comprise of local taxes as well as income from economic enterprises of the city. We can see that economic enterprises, especially the projected revenue from the operations of the hospital, is expanding rapidly because we're expecting national transfer through MAIP to benefit our hospital. This is also the first time that the proposed budget of the city is crossing the 2 billion mark, signaling stronger fiscal capacity for 2026. By the way, the 2.22 billion budget is a 12% increase from the budget of last year. Next slide, please. So these are a comparison of how we are performing vis-a-vis the current year. For example, national sources, for this year we're only expecting by year end to get 1.093 billion. We expect to see that grow to 1.233 billion, which represents a 13% increase. So that's 1 percentage point higher than the total average. Local sources, on the other hand, is more aligned with the total increase in the budget from 794 million to, as I pointed out, 889 million this year, a 12% increase. So if you add that up, that would amount to a 12% increase. What are the other highlights of the revenue that we are projecting to collect for next year? It is a combination of a balanced mix of local, external, and enterprise revenues, as shown there. The local sources, of course, includes receipts from our local enterprises. And this highlights the strategic focus of the Robredo administration to sustain tax collection, to expand the enterprise income, and optimize external allocations. So those are the messages that the Local Finance Committee is giving to the Sangguniang. We are confident that we will be able to collect the amount projected so that it can fund our budget. And based on the performance of the finance agencies of the city, led by the City Treasurer's Office, as well as the local economic enterprises, which are at the forefront of of tax collection and revenue generation, we can commit to the Sanggunian that the amount is realizable, and we should have no problem generating that. Thank you, Your Honors.
Thank you, Sir Willie. For the information of everybody, we are live via Naga City Government page and also the Sangguniang Panglungsod page. Questions from the members of the committee? Pero bago yan, ihapot ko lang, ini bang pig-submit sa mo is the same with the submitted to the Sanggunian? Same. Okay. Sige. Basta si content ka ining pig-submit sa Sanggunian is the same kaning copying pigtao sa mo ngunyan.
Opo.
Okay. Thank you. JP, ibalik ko na ni sa imo sa for the Sangguniang Panglungsod copy.
Si Mayor's Office pa lang.
So,
NDF, NDR. Ang galing.
questions from the members of the committee?
Mayo pa. Mapakakato si ano.
Sir Will,
CDC.
habang naghihiling pa si members ng committee, Sir Will, you presented the possible source of income for 2026, and it says that the local
Enrolled.
local source is 888,895,785, and our national tax allocation is 1,233,461,274.
That's
So
correct.
we are IRA dependent, NTA dependent.
We continue to be NTA dependent, but we expect that that will change once the full implementation of the valuation law takes effect. A continuing constraint to the city government is that we're unable to increase our real property collection. They have plateaued because the fair market values, which is the basis for real property collection, has not changed. But when that is assumed by the central government, we should expect healthy improvements in that side, and we can expect to go back to the 50-50 NTA local revenue share.
If you remember right, anong taon itong huri kitang naging bakong IRA dependent?
I think that was the middle of the Bongat administration, Your Honor.
So pirang years na kitang
Several years na po kita.
Okay.
Legazpi, on the other hand, was able to update its market values and computerize. That's why they are doing better relatively to us. But once we're able to implement that, the other reason why we're not so keen on raising our market values is that it puts us at disadvantage against the neighboring towns, especially in terms of leasing cost, because they're offering lower shares. But once that is rationalized or equalized because of the National Valuation Act, things will again look positive.
In your presentation, Sir Will, dahil duman nabanggit na igwang beginning balance. Is there a beginning balance?
Yes, sir. We are proposing a beginning balance of upwards of 15 million. It's an improvement over the 8 million beginning balance as of 2025. The reason we have allocated that is that before we submitted the local expenditure program to the Sanggunian, there was an issuance. Probably Ms. Amy can explain later. There was a revision in the estimated NTA for the city government because there were, I think, 2 additional cities. No. It was due to the new population count, 2024, that was already certified by the President. And once a President certifies a new population count, that now becomes the basis for the DBM's computation of NTA shares. Unfortunately, our share in our population for 2024 is almost the same as the 2020 population count. But sabi yun, nagralangkaw some other areas, especially Metro Manila, pero kita nagbaba. And that translated to a reduction of 18 million in our NPA share. So, just to ensure that we will be able to cope up, we sought permission from the local executive to declare a beginning balance of 15 million plus.
Before we proceed, we acknowledge the presence of Councilor Jepson Felix, member of the committee. So, ano po si source kay yung 15 million beginning balance?
Surplus. Those will be sourced from the surplus.
Surplus of what year?
2025.
2025 or 2024?
2024. 2024. We have not yet computed the uncollected revenues for 2025.
Just to clear, this 2024 surplus, pwede na ko taaning i-appropriate for this year.
Yes, the Sanggunian has the authority to do that, but the local finance committee sought permission from the mayor upon seeing that revised computation from the DBM that there is an 18 million shortfall. Just to be conservative, we sought approval from the mayor and she approved that the declaration and the use of the surplus for that beginning balance.
So, the surplus for 2024 amounting to 15 million, instead of appropriating for this year, you intend to include as a beginning balance for 2026 budget.
Part of the 2024 surplus, Your Honor. Only part of that.
Thank you, Sir Will. Questions from the members of the committee?
Mr. Chair.
Councilor Albius.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. May we know from the Finance Committee kung na-reach na si target for 2025?
I will defer to our city treasurer, Ma'am Maricor, because that is her area of competence.
We acknowledge the presence of our city treasurer, Ma'am Maricor Gayanilo.
Good afternoon
Please
po,
answer po.
Chairman and other members. As of October, kulang pa po ng 86 million. Tapos, ito, October po, 86 million. Kulang pa po for 2025. May pa pong surplus.
For the record po, as of October, igwa ng surplus, umayo pa.
May pa po.
Pira pa po ang,
Kulang pa po.
as of October, pira itong deficit pa for the estimated
As of-
probable income.
We refer the records from ESRE dahil po sa accounting di pa as of July pa lang po ang records ninda.
Okay.
Ako sa ESRE po as based sa reported sa DOF, BLGF, 86 million pa po. Pero piglaag ko po itong November probable collection for November and December, mga 22 million pa po.
Councilor Albius.
Meaning to say, Ma'am Cor, sa computation mo po, daw lag mo na si assumption based on collection kan last year for November and December, makulang pa kita ng 22 million?
Opo. Di ko lang po nadara pero sa baba. Kulang pa po.
So if that would be the case, may kitang surplus. Kung sa projection mo, ibali na ang November sa December, kulang ka pa ng 22 million,
Opo.
di kita makaka-surplus ng sa 2025.
Opo. For 2025, may pa pong surplus. Nagigot pa po kami mga olekta sa real property tax pero po sa business, kulang pang 10 million eh. Sa business license po, business permits and other fees. 10 million pa.
Sige. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you po.
Kung kulang pa kitang 22 million on the estimated income, paano masapat itong probable expenses na for the year?
Hindi po. Hindi ko po masabi.
Ibaga.
Iya po.
Madam Emmy?
Ayun.
na kiulay na po kami na mag-stop mo na ning obligations. I-prioritize na ninda. Si mga kaipuhanan pa talaga up to the end of the year. Iyon na lang po ang papaagihon ta na expenses.
Okay. Any other member of the committee would like to ask? If not, we acknowledge the presence of Councilor Nathan Serio. Councilor Serio.
In the 4-page receipts program, a document that comes after the budget message of the mayor, I see that there are so many accounts with zero collection targets for 2026. Why is that so?
Any response from the Finance Committee or from the City Budget Office or from the City Mayor's Office?
Nakulon.
Good afternoon po ulit. Ang Kanserong Aldaw po, ano po si Mayor, nag-meeting kami. Na obserbahan man po yan. Base po kaya yan sa mga, kadto pa yan na mga account codes sa ginagamit po. Tapos, po kami, maurulay po kami na itong halion na dapat si mga mayo na po, na di naman nakakakolekta. Kaya on the process po of eliminating all the other accounts po. In coordination with accounting and other offices na nagkukolekta po.
Councilor Serio?
Okay.
Okay. Any other remarks, comments? Hearing none, we will proceed to the presentation of the cluster. Who will present? So, for the information po of the committee and the present guest, si magiging procedure, first, the cluster will present, and then after that, we will go to the questions from the presentation itself and also questions from the involved offices. You may proceed, Glyce.
Good afternoon. Hello. Good afternoon po. Good afternoon, Mr. Chair, and to the members of the committee and sa mga pag-iriba po, maray na hapon. I'm going to present the presentation for the Social Protection and Inclusion Cluster. Under this cluster po, we have the offices of the City Civil Registry, CSWDO, the NCGADC, the Children's Affairs Office, OSCA, and PDAW. This is the identified outcome goal for the social protection cluster under the 2028 Finish Line Agenda. We have identified a data-driven social protection for all residents, a citywide community-based profiling system which is fully implemented to ensure that every resident is accounted for and allowing targeted delivery of social services. This includes po services which cater to the disaster response and social welfare programs. Ini po ang breakdown for the 2026 budget. Igwa po kita ning anom na opisina under the social protection cluster. And may hiling po igdi sa table si increase and decrease. Yan po. So, di ko na po saron si comparative table ta for 2025 and 2026. Igwa lang po digding note sa baba na for City Civil Registry Office, there is an increase of 6M for 2025 under the LDF. So, ibinali naman po. Total for 2026 for the Social Protection and Inclusion Cluster is 136,147,193. So this is a plus 12% po for the budget of 2026. Okay. I will now proceed po with the PPAs as needed po igdisa sa tuwing budget hearing. I will start first with the City Civil Registry Office. Ang vision po kang opisinang ini is to deliver a precise and well-organized program dedicated to preserving all civil registry records to the highest possible standard. Alignment to the 2028 finish line agenda, open, digital, and participatory NAGA, and data-driven social protection for all residents. For the personnel count of the CCRO, they have 11, 1 detailed to City Health Office 2, and 3 po detailed to the offices mentioned as flashed in the screen. 4 casual, 2 job order, and 1 contract of service, a total of 21. For the budget comparison po, under PS, 2025, there is a increase po for the 2026 budget as presented. And for MOOE naman po, there is also an increase, 283,000. And capital outlay, same po. There is also an increase. Overall, for 2026, there is a around 2 million increase for the budget. So, ini po si detailed, ayan, as presented. Ini po si comparison, and this one is the detailed budget for the City Civil Registry Office, amounting to 14 million. Next po, let's run through the PPAs of the CCRO. Under the GAS, or the General Administrative Service, they have identified the Civil Registration Service as one of the major PPA to address. This includes po ito yung registration, birth certificates, marriage certificates, si day-to-day operations po kang office. A total of 13 million to achieve the indicated outcome indicator for this PPA. Next identified is the capacity development. Walang amount. No amount. And for the operations, same po, the mobile civil registration, wherein digdi po tigigibo ito yung pagbabara barangay for the registration of birth certificates, children, senior citizen, all ages po yan. May allocated po na 100,000, and for included po din digdi itong sa mass wedding. Last PPA for the CCRO, the proposed creation of civil registration agent in the 27 barangays of Naga. So this also includes the appointment kang trained civil registration agents across all the barangay with a budget of 164,000. Ini po si request kang Office of CCRO. First, additional plantilla position for efficient and effective delivery of civil registration services. Second is the digitization of civil registry records. And lastly, yung repair and improvement of the office. Next, I will proceed to the report of the City Social Welfare and Development Office, CSWDO. Vision, Naga as an inclusive city where everyone can participate and benefit from the opportunities it offers. Alignment to the 2028 finish line, data-driven social protection for all residents. Ini po si personal count kang CSWDO. As you can see, actual number of personnel under CSWDO is 63 with 33 permanent, 17 casual, 12 JO, and 1 contract of service. So, ini po si breakdown kung saan ng mga offices detailed. For budget comparison po, 2025 and 2026 under PS of CSWDO, there is an increase, so that is plus 3 million. And for MOOE, there is a decrease, no, negative 9M, because Sanggawadan budget is lodged to the LDF. Then for capital outlay naman po, there is no budget for 2025, and for 2026, meron pong 310,000 na inallocate for capital outlay, a total of 69 million for budget for 2026. So, ini po si detailed budget kang CSWDO as presented. Okay. So, i-run through ko lang po din mabilis si PPAs under the City Social Welfare and Development Office. Under GAS, si mga usual programs po, natin i-implement na talaga kang CSWD, arog kang AX program, the Sanggawadan program, annual Paskuhan, and the operation of the Naga City Women's Home. So, mailing ta din po si mga total to achieve the outcome indicator. Okay. Kabali din po sa PPA kang NCCH, syempre si operation and maintenance kang Naga City Children's Home, pag-appropriate ng programs for the solo parent, and also ito pong provision of financial assistance for indigent solo parent through cashless release o itong digital system. Then, we also have PPA for the Poor Peace program and other identified services for those who are victims of natural and man-made disasters. Okay. Included din po dyan si mga program review for BASWA, sectoral celebrations, and budget for the LCAT VAUC. A total for 2026 is 69 million. Ini po si request kang opisina. First is to have an additional service vehicle and of course, additional staff, which is, nakalagay po, is preferably social workers. Next, I will proceed po sa PPA, and this is for the Naga City Gender and Development Council, or NCGADC. The vision of this office is to have a gender-fair Naga City where all people, regardless of sex, gender, or SOGI, are empowered, respected, and equally included in sustainable development. Ano po si mga naka-align na finish line goals kang office? First is under finish line number 7, Center of Good Governance and Innovation. Then, naka-identify din po ning duwang sub is the citizens who feel empowered to participate in governance, and percentage of city and barangay policies that incorporate recommendations from citizens or people's councils. For the personnel count of NCGADC, they have 3, 1 permanent and 2 casual. For the budget comparison po, 2025 and 2026 under PS, for NCGADC, there is a increase pag-abot po sa PS. So, indicated man po, I think, mahigit 1 million. And for MOOE, may decrease po. So, ini po si decrease na sa 87,000. And for capital outlay, they have not identified an amount for the capital outlay. A total of 4 million. 4 million, tama. Ayan. 4,244,768. So there is an increase for the 2026 detailed budget of the NCGADC. Okay. So run through to din po si PPA kang Gender and Development Council under GAS. So igwa po sindang three PPAs. First, itong coordination and collaboration, advocacy, and special projects kung saan i-implement ito yung mga Women's Month and Pride Month. So, ang request po kang office is to hire position as mandated in the Ordinance number 2024-120, si pag-establish po kang GAD office, and increase the amount allocated for MOOE. Next po na office is the Naga City Children's Affairs Office. Ang sector vision po, improve access to basic and specialized service. Ang vision po kang opisina is Naga City would be a nurturing home for happy, healthy, and resilient children with access to inclusive and quality education. So this will help sustain Naga City as a child-friendly city and inspire others on their developmental journey. Alignment to the 2028 finish line is social protection for all residents. So for the personnel count of the Naga City Children's Affairs Office, we have 5, 3 permanent, 2 casual with 1 detailed at Lingkod Barangay Office. So that is the total of the personnel count. Okay. So the Children's Affairs Office, ito po yung comparison of the budget before I proceed with the detailed 2026. For PS, there is a 5% increase. And for MOOE po is medyo malaki yung decrease for the 2026 budget. Why? Because imi-mainstream po kasi yung ibang mga allocated. Because ito pong allocated for 2025 na 10,851,000, this is the 1% of the national tax allocation. So for the Children's Affairs alone, for 2026, meron pong allocated din for the capital outlay, which is 50,000 amount. So total of, ayan, a total of 6,269,701. So this is for the Children's Affairs Office. Hindi pa po ito yung sa NCCWPC. So run through ko lang din po mabilis yung mga PPAs under the Children's Affairs Office. Under operations, we have 4, advocacy and policy development. Under this one, ito pong usual na mga kinakandakang office, aro kang mga pagpagibo kang mga advocacy materials for children, si celebration kang National Children's Month, si tinatawang incentive sa mga child-friendly model barangay, and ito pong annual audits na inaagihan din kang city manunungod sa child-friendly. For operations po, ini si capability building, si pag-strengthening partnerships between the BCPC, the children's sector, and the members of the council. Iyo po yan ang under kang capability building and establishing intersectoral communications and functional partnerships. Next po sa operations, ay mga outreach programs mga outreach programs for children as identified, which includes si mga community outreach activities and si pag-improve or maintain kang mga recreational and child-friendly spaces. Then lastly, under operation, ito pong participation sa socio-cultural activities under the Children's Affairs Office. Then for the General Administrative Service, yung mga usual po na PPAs to operate an office. Vision, senior citizens enjoying the full benefits and privileges mandated by the national laws and local ordinances. Same, deliverables for the 2028 finish lines, si data-driven social protection for all resident, and accuracy of social protection tagging. For the personnel count, they have 12, 1 sarong permanent na detailed sa General Hospital, 2 casual, 7 na job order, and 2 contract of service. Okay. The budget comparison for the OSCA, ayan po. So for PS, there is a 5% increase pagdating po sa PS. Then sa MOOE naman po, meron ding 8% na increase. But for capital outlay, wala pong nilagay under the 2026 budget. But total of 16,631,000. So may increase din po sa budget ng OSCA. Ini po si sa indang 2026 detailed budget. Okay. So i-run through ko lang din po mabilis si mga PPAs kang OSCA, no. So kabali po diyan si pagtatautan ng consultations, annual general assembly, and monthly meetings kang NCSC FI Board of Directors, and ito pong tinatautang financial aid sa attendant na nag-a-assist sa mga senior citizen pag sindanag duduman sa movies, nagdadalan movies. So other PPAs po si as flash on the screen. So, highlight din po itong food assistance na tinatao sa indigent senior citizen and gift giving for the Paskuhan. Okay. So, di pa po, dakol pang identified PPAs. Si mga incentives, cash incentives, and rice allowance for indigent senior citizens. Okay. And for the provision of local pension, so charge po ini sa LDF. So for this is to get the outcome indicator po na indigent senior citizen receive financial assistance. For the request po kang OSCA, additional personnel to handle accountable tasks of increasing programs and services of local and national government. Okay. And lastly po, sa Social Protection Cluster, the Office of Persons with Disability Affairs. Vision, a caring society where everyone is respected, valued, and empowered. So same din po ang alignment to the 2028 finish line. Data-driven social protection for all residents, accuracy of social protection, thriving and inclusive economy. Okay. For the personal count po, merong 19 na personnel under PDAW, 1 permanent, 10 casual, 6 job order, and 2 contract of service. For budget comparison po, no, so makikita po under PS, there is a increase 5%. For MOOE naman, there is also an increase po, 7%. And for capital outlay, there is no identified amount. A total of, mayroon pong increase for the 2026 budget. So the total is 17,509,000. So this is the detailed budget for PDAW. Okay. So i-run through ko din po si mga PPAs kang PDAW. So this includes under GAS si pag-operate kang post-ped training center and resource center for the blind. This also include budget for the Naga City Council on Disability Affairs, Kagawad Committee Chair on PWD, issuance of PWD IDs and discount booklets, and other livelihood skills and seminars. Then, meron din pong budget allocated for the engagement of CBRS and financial assistance to PWDs like therapy, physical rehab, and assistive devices. Another PPA po na kabale for the PDAW is the assistance to PWD organizations, transportation allowance of the organization leaders, conduct of the PWD month, and awareness campaign on the PWD rights and privileges. So just like with senior citizen, they also have free movies to PWDs and assistance to bedridden and abandoned PWDs. And of course po si pagtataoning birthday cakes. A total of 17,510,000. So ini po si request Now, one of the utility workers of PDAW, Ma'am Violeta Rico, has expressed her intention to retire on December 31, 2025, and they are asking for a replacement for her for calendar year 2026. So that would be all for the presentation for the social protection cluster.
Thank you, Glyce. Question for the cluster. May ibang presentation pa. So kung may yung question for the entire cluster, we'll go to by office. We begin from CCRO. Question from the members of the committee. CCRO is page 51. We request the department head, Ma'am Adi, to answer the question. May hapot po sa Councilor Albios.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Thank you, Mr. Chair. Under the personal services, for year 2025, you have 9,840,315 pesos as against the proposed budget for the year 2026, 12,188,124 pesos. So you have an increase of roughly 2 million plus. Yung salaries and wages po from 4,934 naging 6,457,788. Meaning to say po, nag-increase ka mo ng personnel, nagdagdag po.
Good afternoon, everyone. Actually po, Honorable Albios, bali po, may hinali po kaming plantilla position kang 2022, and we have requested that to reclassify into the proposed positions. Yeah.
What are the proposed positions?
The abolished position is registration officer 4, administrative aid, and administrative aid 2. And we requested this to reclassified into 4 positions. Records officer 2, since kaipuhanan po ang records officer kang civil registry office kasi records kami, mayo po kami ng records officer. Administrative assistant 4, revenue collection clerk 3. Ang revenue collection clerk po is at present we are already accepting fees for the city treasurer's office para po naman sa mga civil registry fees para po garuan stop shop ang office po.
Okay.
And sarong administrative assistant 1, reproduction machine operator.
Okay. Mr. Chair, sa personal schedule kang City Civil Registry Office, you have 3 vacant positions.
Yes.
Or new positions. Registration Officer 4, Administrative Aid 4, Administrative Aid 2. Iyo po ni yung request mong creation?
Yes po.
3 positions po.
Actually po, Your Honor, bali po, ining 3 positions na iniyo, iyo po ni si abolished position, pig-request mi po na punduhan, pero for reclassification siya into 4 positions.
Ano po itong pang-apat na position?
Bali po, kaya kung may hiling po, digdi sa budget, nasa 2 million iniyo po. Pero, bali, pareho, the same din po, 2 million din po ang ano. Bali, itong position po is Records Officer 2, Bookbinder 4, Revenue Collection Clerk 3, and Administrative Assistant 1. Pero, they pa po ito reclassify.
Ang
Nasa,
question ko po, kasi digdi sa pig-submit sa Sangguniang Panglungsod, iba pong mga items na nakalag new.
Opo.
Namely, Registration Officer 4, Administrative Aid 4, and Administrative Aid 3.
Opo.
Gusto sabihin po, pig-request po nindo niyo.
Opo. Pig-request me po. Dati na po yan nasa plantilla position, kam 2022. Pig-request me lang na punduhan po.
So, since siya na po siya digdiyo, si request po nindo, okay na siya.
Okay na po, opo.
Sige. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Councilor Albius.
Thank
Sumpayan ko lang, ma'am, sometime in July, you requested for the restoration and funding of the abolished position. Iyon na po niyong tulo. Ining Registration Officer 4, Administrative Aid 4, and Administrative Aid 2.
Yes po.
Na included na ngunyan sa budget.
Yes po.
Yes po.
Thank you.
However, on the presentation, for the cluster presentation, may request naman po for additional plantilla position. Admin Officer 3, Admin Assistant 4, Revenue Collection 3, Admin Assistant 1. So
Actually,
aside from this restoration of the previous plantilla position, may additional ka pang apat.
actually po, dain na po. Bali, pig-request nilang si restoration para po ma-reclassify itong positions na restored. Sige, magkaigwa lang po siya ng fund.
Iklaro ta lang po. Si pighagad mong i-restore na ibalik na.
Opo.
Included na in this annual budget. Nahiling mo na po ni.
Yes, sir. Iya po.
Ini yung budget nindo
Budget for
for
2026. Yes po.
Plantilla position. Na naibalik na si Tulo. Kaya lang dumampo sa
Request.
cluster presentation, may request pa kamong apat.
Apat pa po.
Request mo pa po ni.
Yes po.
Nahiling mo po kasi bago si presentation na may sa request kang City Civil Registrar's Office, ang request nindo additional plantilla position. Totoo po ni.
Actually po bako talaga ko tang request for additional plantilla position, reclassification po sana para duman sa dating position.
Demi po na.
Araw ka.
Or
Actually po nasa surat ko kang tama ba? May na-restore na po itong tulong position.
Kaya nga ni po, restore na si Tulo.
Tapos po,
si Tulo pong pig-request mo for the restoration, yaon na siya sa annual budget.
yes po.
Kabalik siya.
Yes po.
So bago sa presentation, may request pa kamong apat na posisyon. Ang hapot ko po, ito ang request mo pa.
Actually, i-request pa lang po ito pero bako pong request for additional budget, kundi reclassification ka itong na-restored na position na tulo.
Ini yung tulo, gibon araw ka.
So, iyo po. Instead na itong tulong nakalaag na sa budget, ang request nindo,
Yes po, yes.
Si budget tigdiyo,
Ayo po.
ipagkasyaw ni
Ayo
Gisapat.
so the budget po kanilo equivalent man digdi sa apat.
Equivalent po siya. Kasi we believe na mas importante po itong for the positions na kaipuhanan ng campus.
So may hear from our HR. Nakuha mo man po garo si request niyang restoration.
Sige, sir. Yeah, po.
Granted na,
Yeah, po.
dinaag na sa
Na-restore
budget.
po siya.
Kaya lang, ngunyan, ang request naman ni Ma'am Adi, instead of the 3 position, i-convert itong 3
Sa 4 positions.
for the 4 position.
Yeah, po.
Pwede ba yan?
Pwede po purumagi siya, sir, sa ordinance. May process po kaya eh. So,
Kaya nga ni, duwang pagiman ang pag-create ng position, either by ordinance or by the inclusion on the annual budget. Kung aproban kang committee na i-revise ini, pwede. Ang hapot mi lang, pwede ba siya? Instead of itong tulong position, gigibuhon ng apat, provided na same ang cost.
Si cost, yes sir.
Kadtong-
Pero doubtful ako if the cost will be the same. Kasi si mga other benefits ito na compute eh. So if one position is i-classify it into two positions, baka we also have to consider the other benefits. Pero if
grade 22 siya.
i-check me sir sa budgets ko, given the reclass and the positions sa cost, total cost niya, kapot ko po niyan, ang figure is nagbaba lugod. From 2 million na itong tulong positions, magiging siyang 1.9 million.
Pag naging apat.
From
2.014 million to magiging 1.991 million.
May ipapark lang.
So, nagbaba po siya.
Sige. So may excess kitang
Mga
less than
around-
100 gura,
Yeah,
no?
mga less than 100,000.
Sige.
Ipar-
Could you
iparta.
make the presentation kadto para for consideration of the committee? May we know from the committee kung if the request of the city civil is
Mr. Chair.
Councilor Doc, yes.
Okay. We have here sa request kang City Civil Registrar Office, Admin Officer 3. May we know kung ano ang salary grade niya?
Salary grade 14 po.
14. How about the Administrative Assistant 4?
Salary grade 10.
10. Revenue Collection Clerk 3.
Salary grade 9.
9. Admin Assistant 1.
Salary grade 7.
7. So as of now po, may sa office ng Revenue Collection Clerk, ano po?
May
Designated.
Designated. Okay po.
Sige. Ano yun?
So we will
Anyway,
request po the HRMO to submit to us the replacement for the plantilla position.
Yes, sir.
sige. Including the si mga salaries niya, benefits para mag-guide ang committee kung pera talaga ang total.
Yes, sir.
Para
Yes,
kung ano, pwede na ning i-replace instead of these 3 positions, gigibuhan siyang 4.
Sige, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Any other question? Councilor Gale?
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Ma'am, structure concern lang ini. Ano po ang reason ta may tulong kitang detailed from, tulong personnel detailed from BST, CRSRL, and CHRMO?
Good morning, good afternoon po. Bali po, bali kang nagre-request po kaming additional employees. Bali, Sindasti na Ostramuya from HR.
Ining tulong
Si
taong
tulong
pong
tao
iniyo.
po, opo, yes po. Actually,
And-
dual lang po. Tapos, itong hali sa BSTC. Then, last year, may saro hali sa HRM.
And ito pong pig-uurulayan na request for positions, dai ka ini anong apod ka iyan? Dai ka ini maitataos so, oo, bako ini ma'am, iba ang inuurulayan.
Depende po kung qualified po sinda. Since siya o naman sinda sa office, pwede man sinda mag-apply. Although, ang priority po, ma'am, itong mga 20 years in service na sa office.
Okay. Tapos ma'am, ano ang implication kaining may saro ka mong detailed sa City Health Office too, pero naghahanap kita ning nire-request kitang tao, pero may saro kitang naka-detail sa City Health Office.
Sorry po, pero garo, unmanageable kaya si sarong employee, pigpa-detail ko po, ma'am.
Ano po yun, ma'am?
Pero unmanageable po siya.
Kayang i-manage ni Doc Gale.
Hindi siya, medyo dengayo, Although, maray po siya magtrabaho. Kaya nga kumbaga, appreciated man siya duman sa piglipatan ng office. Pero sa office, dengay.
Okay, kasi point for a question iyan na maghahanap ka pero igwa kang taong sarong tao sa iba. Iman lang po. O, sarong tao lang, pero even then.
Yes po.
Okay.
Just to add up, ito po mga positions na being presented today, is currently in coordination with DAP for the OSSP. So, siguro po ang opinion ko patapos na si DAP, then we consider all these positions. Baka po at the end of the day, sige na naman kita nagpa-create ng positions and a case na araw kaning similar na malipat dahil they naman napaboran or they non-performing from their side. So, nangyayari po kasi sige lang ikot ng personnel. But being a competency-based institution, dapat siguro we focus on how we can maximize the people. Baka kaya ang concern ko lang is never-ending na sige tang may created positions and then mapa-reclass just to accommodate certain individuals na at baka in the longer term malipat na naman sa sarong office. So baka po ang pigili mi just we tapuson din being study being given provided to us by the DAP, then we can really decide. Kasi ang sarong pong discussions na nakaaging man ko was really for the offices to have an inventory of task. Iliyon tapos si tamang tao na sa every task and then itong optimal use kang tao na yaon duman. Well, naiintindihan ko po si case ni Ma'am Adita, si collection that's supposed to be there sa treasury, yeah, may part na din sa iya. So, and then increasing, in fact, ang pag-chinek mo po si database niya for the birth, death, and marriage, backlog sinda. So, baka yan one of the reasons na kaya po niya din to update or a better systems na dapat install sa system nila.
Councilor Gail.
Yes, Mr. Chair, na-bring up naman lang, iyo po ang hapot ko ngunyan. Kasi may ongoing study kita. And duman sa initial kaya na nahiling ko, I was also present, may initial data na provide, may implications sa staffing ta. So now that we're doing this budget hearing and there are offices na nag-request ng mga new positions, how do we put it? Paano to, Sir Ansel, ma-reconcile na what if iba ang recommendation sa DAP pagkatapos kang DAP tapos iniyo sige tang ragdag ning tao do we have ano lang sa lang itong garo baka kaipuhan mag-guide na din kita in terms of decision making. May initial report na ba ang DAP at least telling us in general na di na mo na kamo magkuroan ng tao or ilimit lang to this? Do we have a data for that already? Sa hiling ko po, kaya may implication na ini sa decisions na gigibuhang tangon yan sa budget hearing. Guide lang po, Sir Ansel.
Based on the mga discussions, so ang direction is mo na status ko until we have finished this DAP study. Tano po ta siguro sa araw kaya, hindi po yung study eventually will be a guide for the City Hall para mapatama. In fact, there are offices based on the initial presentation na baking saroon na lang siya kasi napansin kang study na duplication of work. Baka ma-apektuhan ang entire organization. May mga proposals po kayo on how we will create departments na similar na mga duplication, do kasi naroon na lang siya into one big offices. Pero ang stand po ka na we retain what we have now, given na day man talaga ma-increase yung budget. And yeah po, there is status ko in the meantime. So, until after na si DAP ko ang final decision that will guide us na kaipuhan ba talaga yung mga positions na for the positions. Kaya sabi po nga ni Kasawag early on, very critical to inventory of tasks. Baka po kaya minsan, we're more focused on the individual rather than the accomplishments. Kaya minsan kayo po ang kadakol tao, baka dito man na really nasisinsilyo si mga specific tasks na ninda. Or baka po kaya si employee, di man siya properly trained sa may isang competency for the decision. Kaya we're looking for additional people. So sa kunyan po, yan ang status yata ng City Hall. Let's finish the study first, then we review if all the recommendations that will be provided by DAP applicable on our local government.
Mr. Chair.
Yes, Councilor Gale.
So, when we say status quo, ang ibig sabihin po ba, di na mo na magkuruaning panibagong tao? So, para lang at least po, guided man si committee pag may mga request ang mga offices. So, iyo po, yan ang recommendation. Mayo kitang garo exemptions, may maaral ka iyan.
Who will answer?
Kasi Sir Ansel, very critical ini yung dahil
Yes, po.
This is just the first office na may pigre-request na
Yes, po.
position. Baka igwa pang ibang mag-arabot para at least point blank pwede ming masabi na status ko kita ngunyan, di kita mako ang tao.
Yes, ma'am. Yun ang analysis ko. Since hindi po kayo mga plindle yan, naka-indicate mo si mga vacant and new positions. With the committees like PSB, if these positions vacants to be filled up or to be reclassified within the 2026. Pero as of now, itong mga existing positions that are vacant, that will remain as is for this year. So no new additional positions that will be created if possible until after na we fully analyze itong effect katong OSSP study being conducted now.
Councilor Jess.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. I have here the copy kang 2025 personal schedule kang CCRO and sa 2026 si Setabi ang nag-decide para i-add ining 3 new positions. Kasi considering na igwaning study ang DAP, tapos nagdi sa personal schedule kang CCRO, igwa na siyang tulong positions, which para nga sa head of office, mas maray kung gibon ini yung 4 instead of 3.
Ano sir, mga requested sa HR yata, these are existing positions na dati unfilled. Minsan po may mga case like sa budget pag ang positions created na minsan hinahali kasi unfilled. Pag-request po na ibalik mga positions na approved this time, part of the budget for this year, next year. Kaya lang, igwang another proposal si ma'am na barangaon si 3 into 4. That's another process bago niya ma-achieve. Pero itong existing positions, that will depend on, number one, for the committee to decide to recommend to Mayor na kung bubukasan ba siya. But it seems na sa ngunyan, balak ni Ma'am Adi na i-convert ang positions to 4 different positions. So existing positions in the first place, kasi created na siya before, gano'n naging siyang inactive lang, naging dormant, pig-revive lang po siya for 2026.
Sige. Another question kay Ma'am Adi. Kung ma-create po ning 4 new positions, gustong sabihin po, mabawas pang kita ng casual or job order or contract of service sa office?
Bali same budget man po giraray kasi ang target na employees na makakakuha kan si position si mga haliman lang po sa office. And actually nga ni, sabi ko nga ni, itong revenue collection, designated na siya as revenue collector.
Ang gusto ko pong sabihin, since ang request mo po is mag-create ng instead of 3, maging 4.
Opo.
So, meaning to say, makakabawas kita kang personnel sa office mo, either casual, job order, or contract of service.
Kung ito ang makukuha.
Di man siguro. Pwede man. Di man. May pondo man po itong casual employee. Sa good, actually po, itong ining position na iniyo, sinagahandal ka ni si dati nang yaon sa office na administrative assistant siya. Kaya, day man din po maano. Siguro may mababakant na position. Ito nga halian niya, in case po na siya makuha, pero the same employees man po, giraray, the same employees.
Sana lang po, ang pag nag-create ng posisyon, at least makabawas din kasi based nga sa analysis, sobrado ang sa tuwang empleyado.
Actually po,
Kung nag-add kita, at least makabawas din.
actually po siguro pag abot sa City Civil Registry Office, ang libmanan is 20 employees. Kita po 21 employees lang, Naga City po.
Mas matibay po kamo.
Dahil po, kulang po talagang maray ang ano. Sabi ko nga ni kay Sir Ansel and naisabi ko naman ni po kay Mayor, may audit report ang PSA and may mga findings po duman na may talagang may dai na nako-comply ang office. Puro lang kami sa services na itong frontline pero itong ibang mga recording talagang di po just like sa encoding, pero may kaming backlog. Ang registry book which is mandatory, backlog din. And I believe po na ining apat na positions na ini, mas makakatabang sa operation kan si office. And kami
Sige,
man po
sige po. On this particular request, ano po ang gibuhunta?
I don't have kay Sir Axel.
Yung stand po kang, ako, stand ng city, yung status ko stands, and we have to wait for the OSP.
Sige, arog na lang po kani, ano, may allowing until hanggang kuyan pa man kami, hanggang December 10. So it's up to the management decision kung iga-grant ma'am. Siguro, on your end, mag-urulay, the CCRO, the HR, and also the city mayor. Kung ano talaga itong, kung i-grant itong request mo na instead of 3, gibuhon ng 4. So, we will just await po. Since dahil man siya ma-entail ng additional cost na in fact mabawas pa. But then, hayaan niyo po ang management ang mag-decide.
Sige.
Okay. Kung okay na po yan, kung okay na yan, kung agreeable na kayo ng committee na ibalik ta sa CCRO, so it's up to you to facilitate with the HR and the city mayor kung i-grant itong request mo. So, kung may submit sa Samuya na converting from 3 to 4 with the approval of our city mayor, so babaagohon mi sa budget. Kung mayo po, we will approve as is this plantilla position. Okay po? So, okay na sa committee?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. So, any other question from the CCRO? For the members of the committee, Councilor Nathan.
Can I add, sir?
Sir Ansel?
Ang duman sa presentation kaya, hindi ko lang nahiling is system improvement. Sabi ni Ma'am backlog sa mga encodings, pero kung actual personnel, pigiling ko si system naka-deploy. Ang system po kaya ginagamit nito is from PSA. Pag hiniling mo, very insufficient si data na kukuha nila. So, ang backlogs nila is more than 3 years, 4 years na data recorded. So, baka dapat tilingon. Ako, personally, dapat ko part of the request demands kung paano ma-re-engineer si process within. Kasi pag nangyayari po kaya, pag dahil siya fully digitized, tao ang hagado ni ma'am. So, every time mahagad siya ng tao for that.
Para sa full digitization, anong kaipuhan?
Number 1 po, ilingon siguro si system na naka-deploy sa INDA kasi very limited ang system na naka-deploy demand, sir. Basically, ang system only includes itong yaon demand sa, hindi ka pwede magka-generate ng report, hindi ka pwede mag-extract ng data, hindi ka pwede mag-query. So, very limited siya. Ito po mga files na yaon demand, sana digitize na siya, itong mga hard copies of birth, death, and marriage. So,
anong kaipuhan?
So, dapat po siguro iguang digital copies of all the records na igwasinda, tanganing easy extraction of data.
How much is...
sa ngunyan, may pa akong data for that. Pero igwa na kaya systems ang available, like document management systems na pwede nilang gamiton to really improve the operational side kang City Civil Registry.
Why in-include naman sa proposal? Dakol na ba? We understand na dakol na ang pinag-agihan nindo. Kami ko nagpa-finalize na lang. Why dai pa yan na i-brought out during duman sa mga cluster session nindo?
Actually po, sir, included, kaya lang, may pigtao lang sa mong budget na pigbara nga ba nga kan si cluster. Kaya po, pighali mi. Actually, may ano po kami demanding 1.5 hinali mi. Kaya for funding, kaya pighapot ko kung paano ko i-justify ito, Kaya binuntak mo na lang sa request para sana man po
Gusto sabihin po, kabali man yan duman sa
kabali po sa pig
pig dahil lang na
Yes po. Yes po.
Okay.
Kabali mo po.
For this committee po, aramon mi lang kung ano, and then kung may makukuha kami, ma-depend man lang kami sa sinabit na budget.
Actually po, si Pig Hagad Me is 1.5 and I don't know kung tama na po ito. Siguro face by face siguro. Kasi
Siguro
ang
ma'am,
records
I
nila
suggest,
po-
aramon mo si exact. Dahil kung si cost talaga, dahil kung mahanapan ming budget, we will allocate.
Siguro po,
pero
sir-
kumbaga, kabali yan sa ipapark mi lang muna.
Ano po siguro ang ano po garo kaya ng IT, yung makakatabang sa mga
Si
IT.
Sir Ansel.
Kasi ano po, dapat talaga kaya may program ang City Civil Registry Office. Bako lang po si sa services mi, kundi si pag-generate ng report. Sabi ko nga ni, naghahagad ang children, naghahagad ang CHO, si SID, kada akong naghahagad.
Kaya nga ni,
Ayun po
sa
kami
link po, importante man ini sa opisina nindo.
Yes po.
Kaya lang, yung ano yan, may prior decision na may dito nakabali duman sa cluster nindo. So, hilingon mi po kung kaya this budget hearing, kung may excess. Kaya maraman niyo po kung gurano ang cost.
Si Pig requesting po naman 1.5.
Tama na ba yan, Sir Ansel?
Kulang.
Kulang.
Kulang po.
Baka pwede
Mga how much?
Ang DMS alone, siguro more than $1 million na yan, DMS alone. So, bako lang po kasi installation ng system, but si scanning of documents. Ang documents nila is from 1940s, 50s?
1945.
So this item included siya sa, suppose, kung sakali, makakabali siya sa capital outlay.
Yes po. Pero ito pong, yes, tama po. Kasi part niya ng CEO. Ito kayang, sabi ko nga po, itong system na gagamitin na is another is cost. Pero itong scanning of all documents is another cost.
Sige po. Hilingon ta po, ano?
Bali kaya, sir, excuse me. Bali, pag, may duplication kaya ning work,
Pag presentation bam katong ko yan, pig-justify mo man yan.
Nagtuko po akong 6 years. Pero, sir,
binabalikan ko lang po dahil halawig na si pinag-agihan kang cluster nindo. Kaya ngalas ako na dahil nakabali na importantehon pala sa opisina nindo.
May recommendation po kay ito ang CPDO na mag-outsource sa private and yun po to si Pig na sana So,
Tako nakabali na ko ta yan ligdi sa presentation, pasil lang ko ta siya. Pero anyway, ma'am, ibabali mi lang and kung may makukuanan, we will include.
Thank you po. Thank you po.
Miss BJ.
Action po doon sa ni ma'am. Kasi uga po baga digdi kayong nakalaag na information and communication din sa capital outlay. Ano po sila og kaya kaini yung 359,000?
Iyon pong sa capital outlay na 359,000 si pag-purchase yan kan si mga machines na pwedeng gamitin like scanner para at least makastart pag-scan although mayo ning program.
Baka po Mr. Chair, pwede nang mailaog itong gigibuhin ng digdi doon sa 1.5 na i-request nila for the digitation.
Sa siya pwede makuha?
Ini pong 359 under capital outlay. Baka pwede na nindang ilaog na lang ni duman sa request po nindang 1.5.
Okay. So mayo man iba ma'am gagamitan ka ini?
Actually po, kailan ang Xerox copier machine kang office. Tapos
so,
scanner. Igwa pa man may saro pa kaming photocopier. Kaya lang dapat at least 2 kasi may proposal din ng bali
sige ma'am, your request, isusurat mi lang muna.
Sige po.
If may available, we will include.
Thank you po. Salamat
okay.
po.
Mr. Chair, isa pa po.
Sige. Miss BJ, please proceed.
One of your requests po, ma'am, is also expansion, repair, and improvement of the office. Paano na po siya pinark din po ito?
Actually, Miss BJ, thank you kay Mayor. May ano na po, tugutan niya kasi bali may chat kasi ang office and tugutan niya na po na i-repair mo niyan. Garo di ko lang po aram kung kabali na sa bidding. And ganyan na 2025.
Kung tama ma'am ang kasubago discussion sa mo, kung tama ang pakaintindi ko, charge siya for this current budget.
Opo.
Okay.
Charge siya sa 2025 budget.
So ining request mo po, granted na
Opo,
ini.
granted na po.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Any
you
other,
very much.
Councilor Jepson?
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Na-curious lang ako, Mr. Chair, dahil since zero-based budgeting po ang system tangon yan, Mr. Chair, kung may request po si ma'am na certain amount, saan ta po siya huguton or saan siya i-defund? Is it from the same office or from different offices?
Kaya nga, kumbaga, ang gigibuhon ta, we will just list itong mga request. Kung may possible source kita, saka ta babudgetan.
Okay, Mr.
Dahil
Chair.
ang presumption ta, presumption ta, dahil halawig na si pinag-agihan kaning mga cluster, na nasimbag na si gabos na pangangaipo. But yet, may mga kahagadan pa ang mga opisina. So we will just list kung may mahiling kita sa ibang opisina na sobraman ang allocation, diba kita pwede magkuha.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you. May na pong iba, we excuse na-take note mo man, JP? So,
Yes, question.
Councilor Jess?
Yes, kay Sir Ansel lang. Sir Ansel? In case rebahin itong from 3 positions to 4 positions, how much ang masisave naman? Para ma-take note lang ng committee?
Pero less than 100,000, sir.
99?
Kung naging 1 point...
Pwede mako yan.
Para
70,000 o 80.
Para at least aware kita na gawang sobra. Pero? 1K lang? 100?
Based sa calculator naman, 23,000.
23,000 lang?
Siguro
siguro mahagad kitang computation sa budget office.
Sino nagigibo kayo? HR o budget? Budget, dapat budget to. Ay, HR.
Di talaga, Sir Ansel.
Yes, sir.
33,000
Sige.
Sige.
Pero itong full computation as to other benefits, mas very
Budget na lang.
pampamilya po
Okay.
si budget.
So, just in case the Office of the Mayor approve, so mahagad na lang po kami computation.
Salamat po.
Okay. So, any other concern for CCRO? Hearing none, we proceed to next office, the CSWD.
Thank you.
Ma'am Adi.
Salamat po.
Who will represent the CSWD? Ms. Sheila. Okay. Question from the members of the committee to the CSWD. CSWD is page 124. Hapot po sa CSWD. From the members.
Page ano pa rin?
Ha?
Page 124.
Page 124. Ma'am, from 43 million this year, 47 million next year. Tama po ba?
Yes po. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Nag-increase.
Sige, question from the members? Ma'am, may I know the budget of this donation B? From 3.8 down to 1.3.
Yes, sir.
Ano nangyari?
Pig ano din lang po, pig gasya po si pig daong budget para sa Social Protection and Inclusion Cluster. So sabi nga ni po ni Mama Di, pigbara nga mi po sir para
Pero
mag-cash siya.
nag-increase ang other MOE.
Nag-increase baga kamo from 43 to 47.
Yes sir, pero po sa donation tapong figure, ang nag-increase ta po si donation, ang nabawasan pang kadikit si donation B.
Bako siyang kadikit.
Sa ngunyan, ma'am, ano ang tinatawag kang CSWD for the burial, medical, itong mga nagaharagad? Ano ngunyan ang tinatawag ang CSWD?
Currently, sir, ang ni-utilize na po is yung POF ng DSWD. Kasi po, nag-start po kita November 3, nag-transfer of funds po ang DSWD. So, pig-utilize na ito pag kulang pa po, saka kita nag-ano naman sa local pong fund na AX.
For the burial, pero tinatao?
Maximum po is 10. Guarantee letter, may pong outright cash.
For the medical assistance, ito mga hospital bill?
Maximum of 10 din po. Sa TOF kaya, sir, hanggang lang kitang 10,000 through DSWD. So, sa to din po, 10,000 din lang po kita. Ang maximum.
Pero kung makahagad dyan sa Indo, dahil na pwede makahagad duman sa DSWD.
Pwede, sir. Pwede pa po. Pag, sir, nag-TOF siya, then naghagad sa to, naghagad pa din po sa to. At pwede ta pa pong matawan kasi may balance pa siya based sa assessment ta. Pwede pa man po. Piki-cater ta po siya.
May mga incident baga na nagjajaran sa mo. Iyan ang reklamo.
Na-serve, ang nangyayari lang, sir, pag halimbawa po, na-serve sa TOF, tapos nag-local na po kita, na-serve to sa TOF ning 10, nag-local pa po ning 10, so na-maximize na po si 10 kang local. Dawa po magtao pa pong endorsement kita, dahil na po talaga siya napapaagi kasi po naka-maximum na po siyang 10.
So 10 lang?
Opo, opo.
Dati ba kaya nakakatao kitang 10, and then pag rineperta pa sa DSWD, nakakahagad pa sinda ning another 10?
Opo. Which is nangyayari man po hanggang ngayon, sir. Nakikater naman po. Ang nagkakaigwa lang po ng kung halimbawa po pig-endorse na kang mayor's office under local, tas nagtao pa po kita, data na po ito na si serve itong halik sa to na endorsement. Kasi po nataon na sa, naka-access na po siya sa local, pero executive po.
Pero dahil mo niya nangyayari mo niya na.
Iyo po, sir, dati tanong po yan, sir, pigi-implement po na pag naka-10 na po, sample po, halimbawa po, sir, sa burial po, may nakahagad na siya ng 10 sa DSWD. Tapos po, naghagad pa siyang tabang. Pig-recommend po ngayon kang mayor's office ng 10,000 under executive. Tapos naghagad pa po sa itong endorsement. Nakakuha pa ngayon siya ng mga 5 endorsement. Dahil na po talaga, sir, nakikater si 5 endorsement kasi naka-maximum na po siya under local. Pero po kung nainot po kitang nagtao, tapos nagsunod po ang executive, dahil na po nakikater si sa executive. Basta po na-reach na si 10,000 na maximum po.
Ano to, kami ang nagiging ultimong dumanan?
Iyo po. Kasi sir, mayo po kay aning cash ang mayo na po ning budget ang executive. Sangon yan po si...
So dapat ba kung last ang SP?
Councilor Nathan.
Mr. Chairman, pigdadangog ko napapangisya. Tama ba ang pagkaintindi ko na pag nag-shoot na ang executive, tapos nainot siya nag-shoot, tapos kita nag-shoot man, not counted ang mga shootan? Tama ba yan pagkaintindi ko?
Tama. Pero ang kaya ngunyan, pag nagduman sa executive ngunyan, mayo, maduman sa to.
Opo.
Yan ang situation. Maray ko ta, okay lang to. Na-cater na. Ang problema ngunyan, kung dahil nakakakuha sa executive, dyan sa to madulok. And pag ni-repair mi duman, mayo man giraray cash.
Pero po, ang tinatao mi po, bako man pong cash, guarantee letter pa din po, miski hali sa to. Seldom lang po kita nagtataong cash kung talagang day available. Halimbawa ngayon po, bulong na di talaga available sa satuyang partner na drugstore, saka lang po kita. Saka itong mga laboratory po na dai available sa satuyang partners, saka lang po kita nag-ano.
Sige.
Mr. Chairman.
May remaining pa baga ang donation from the executive, 471,000.
Ngunyan, sir po.
Yeah.
Opo. Kasi po, may ano po baga, sir, parang may bigdagdag na budget po.
Reversion.
Nag-revert po.
Paano sinasabing mayong budget?
Ay, ano, sir? Sorry po. May budget ang alin po?
May remaining balance pang 471,000
Ang
executive.
Ay, ito po yan,
From the
sir.
mayor's office.
Ito po yan, sir, mga payables na po from ito pong nag-stop kitang ma-process si bayadan kasi po nagkulang po pagka kita, sir. Kaya nag-revert ng 10 million po. Para po ito duman sa mga payables na poon parang March hanggang pong nag-process lang po kami kaya kang paglaog kang reversion.
So sa ngunyan, Mayo?
Ay, nagkikater po kami, sir. Igwa po. Nagkikater na po kita ulit.
Councilor Jess?
Query. As of today, pera pa ang balance sa funeraria, sa hospital, sa
Updated
drugstore?
na po kita, sir. Ang pig-process na pong mga statement of accounts, October po. October, November na po.
So, dahil na marireject sa mga funeraria, sa hospital?
Dayo na po. Ang may ano lang po kita, sir, ng duwang funeraria na data pig-cater kasi po may problema sinda sa permit.
Correct.
So, data po sinda na a-accommodate ang St. Joseph and St. Bridget po.
Ano tong saro?
St.
Joffer.
Bridget po.
St.
Bridget.
St. Bridget, saka St. Joseph Funeral Parlor. May problema po sinda sa permit. Kaya po, dahil kita nagkikater pag sa indang ano.
Iyo. Pero, dito man maiwasan na may mga taga-naga na iyon ang kinukuang...
Yung barato.
Oo.
Actually, di man po barato, sir.
Bako.
Baka mabarato ang reason.
Kung iyon ang nakukuha,
Opo. Kung
mas
iyo ang
lalong
available.
kahirap na data natatabangan.
May permit iyo.
Ay baga.
Iyo po. Naintindihan mo po, sir.
Masusog pati yan, nag-aarabang yan para magka-kliyente.
Kaya po nag-ano kami sa barangay na tabangan na kung may maghagad tabang, i-refer duman po sa may mga permit na funeraria po para dahil magka-problema.
Councilor Gale? Tapusan na naman. Sige. May mga attached program and office sa CSWD.
Yes,
so,
sir.
Pwede ito nang ibali.
Opo.
Okay lang po na ikaw
Yes, sir.
magsimbag. Councilor Gale?
Yes, yaon po ako sa SEED. Apo. Mahapot lang ako kaining sa SEED po, page 128. SEED po.
Ang seed po included sa education cluster po.
I-reserve ta po ang seat for the education cluster.
So, ini na lang po sa children's home.
Sure, ma'am.
So, sa children's home,
Anong page?
may training expenses na 80,000. Curious ako kung anong training ang pigtataod ta. Page
1 to 9.
nasa 129 po ako.
Children's home. Ini pong training po, more on po sa capability building ng mga house parents.
Oo. Anong capability building po?
Ito pong pag-handle kang mga aki. So, ka-partner to po dyan ang protection nila ma'am, only nila ma'am. Kasi po may center man po, women's home. So, nag-aano po sinda pag sa training. Para kasi may house parent man po sa women's home. Mas
kabali na doon.
Opo, sa capability building po. Ng house parent and security guards.
So, internal man lang ang training kay ninyo?
Yes, ma'am.
Sige.
Sid mo.
Councilor Jepson, sa inang apot mo?
CSWD din.
CSWD. Sige. Councilor Jepson.
Thank you po. Ma'am, hapot ko lang po, ano pong mga nangyayari digdi sa may annual sectoral celebrations? Specifically po sa youth, and anong month po initig si-celebrate?
Ini po sir in partnership po sa mga mga sa offices na partners po, pero po hindi sir talaga po ang mostly pong kang office, Family Week, sa Children's Month, sa youth po, more on po dahil among activity yung sa OSY.
Yes po.
Opo, so sinda po ang nag-ano po kami kang program kang DSWD pag may celebration po.
Yes po.
Yes po.
Tapos ma'am, if ever ma'am, since I think si AIM kang activity ay aligned din sa AIMS kang Naga City Youth Development Office, and I think sa SK Federation din, can we manifest ma'am that we can collaborate with this
sure, sir. Opo.
activity, and if ever po we implement this on August 2026, dahil ang sa tuyang celebration po kang Youth Month, August din po celebrate.
Opo.
Para aligned na po kita ma'am, din na po fragmented.
Yes sir.
Yan man lang po.
Thank
Mr.
you very
Chair.
much
Thank
po.
you po.
Councilor Gale.
Mr. Chair, itong sarong nahihiling tang approach nga rig mas maging efficiency office itong maayos ang data. Igwa po ding PPA na implementation of office database system. O paano ini mangyayari? Igwa ba kitang agaro itong sa CRO na may i-adapt kita or sige po.
Opo. Halimin na po ini workout na magkaigwa po ning arugin kasi po sa nagsiserve ning client madali maka-verify pag igwang data talaga. Kasi po sa city po kaya nag-implement kita katong 3-month rule na pag within 3 months nakakuha ka pa, day ka pa eligible para maghagad ulit ng assistance. Ang purpose lang po is mainly para matawan din ning chance si iba, kadakulon po dikito ng budget, so matawan nga boss ning chance na makahagad, maka-access sa services. So, nahiling mi po ang need talaga po, ma'am, na kaipuhan mi siya. Bako lang dahil duman sa AX na purpose, pero po, si kagabsan kang programa, sample po, pag-identify po kang si talagang indigent, mga arag po kayo. Sa ngunyan po, mga kami, so nagko-coordinate po kami with Sir Oliver kung paano po kami matawanan ning program sa yun po.
Tapos ining budget sufficient ini para
Sa start lang po, sabi ninda ma'am, para mang-start, pero bako siya para ma-conceptualize si database.
anong covered katong start? To start ano ang mako-cover niya?
Ang po, ining saro ma'am sa MOOE, itong capability development training sa ma-handle ng mga may program po kasi daw ma'am parang i-adapt na training, fund for training, tapos po sets of computers. Iyo pa lang po yan si big budgetan ta po.
Kasi kung di ba napaka reliant na maray dependable na maray sa data ang opisina.
Yes po.
Ang hapot po kaya na na ang mako-cover kaining sabi nindong garo effort to begin with the database system. Tangari ito may capability building, I understand. Pero itong shift din kaya pati duman sa service delivery kang tao, itong transition baga na igwa kitang naka-system na, therefore ining mga taong ini nagbabawas naman ang trabaho. So
Supposed to be
man
po.
yes,
Yes
itong
po.
baka pwede nindong gibuhaning timeline tangarig mas malinaw ngarig dai garo magbara-bara ang hiro kang opisina, ma-organized magiraray siya until such time na garo fully fully implemented na itong si data management
Yes, ma'am.
system.
Opo.
Opo.
Thank you sa suggestion, ma'am.
Other question? Ma'am, ining sa donation B, sapat na ba sapat ba ni Samuya?
No, sir.
Sa-
No, sir.
So anong suggestion mo?
Kung pwede nito, sir, madagdag. Kamu po. By experience, sir, ano po, daiyan, sir, sapat.
Donation B. At least the same amount lang for this year. Same amount, 2025 and 2026.
Same amount.
Basta halisay mo, basta kulang ini. So we will look.
So, basing it, sir, from our experience po. Kahit po ito, sir, sa donation itself na figure na 12, kulang din po siya. 12,970 po. Hindi po siya nagsusuffice until December.
Sige. Maraisin data, may pwede makuanan. Kami mayo. So kung may mahiling kami, we will add. And also, sa Paskuhan, okay na ni? Ining, for the children's home, ma'am, okay na siya?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Apa.
Paskuhan, dahil na madagdag. The 4-piece program, dumana siya sa kuyan. Assistance ini sa 4-piece.
Po, sir.
Ining 4-piece program, assistance ini sa 4-piece.
Logistic lang po. Si mga office supplies lang po ang naka-charge po sa to. May counterpart po kita sa Indaning.
Okay.
Apo, sa purpose.
Di Bantay Pamilya Office, under pa sa Indo. So, okay na ni sa budget, Bantay Pamilya budget?
Yes, po. Yes, sir.
Na-consult man ka ni si Dayan?
Yes po.
Okay. For the solo parent?
Yes, sir.
Included na ba digdi itong
Pension po.
bako? The honor incentive?
Yes, sir. Some exemplary po, exemplary students
Yeah.
at children of solo parents.
For
Yes,
this
sir.
budget? Kabali na siya?
Opo. Under po sa
Solo parents.
Almost kuya na siya. Almost, so for this year, mga 413,000.
Opo.
Kung included na siya, ano na lang activities for solo parent? The breakdown baga, ining travel local, yun is si
honorarium po sa 27
si travel
barangay presidents.
transport allowance
Apo.
during meeting, other supplies, CO supplies, and then the other general services for the salary katong sarong personnel.
Yes, sir.
And the 550,000, kung gabos na yan sa honor incentive, ano ng program ang gigibuhon pa kang solo parent?
Ano, sir? In
Kaya nga,
partnership
ang ngapot ko, kung ining budget ba for solo parent, does include the incentive for honor student?
Yes, sir. Yes, Mr. Chair.
Kung included digdi, ano na lang, pira na lang ang matatada for the
400.
program for solo parent?
400. Ang program po, ang 540, sir po, daiman po siya ma-utilize gabos sa incentive.
Will depend. Dahil for this year nga ni, nag-request na lang kitang charging to the Children's Affairs Office amounting to 413,000
Opo.
for this year. Dito man aram kung pira ang ma-honor for next year. Paano kung magdagdag? Di ba yun naman matatadang allocation for the programs, activities for solo parent?
Ano, sir? Si ngunyang pong taon with the approved budget na nasa 200, na-carry out man po si programs in ano lang po.
Hindi
Sorry,
na-carry
sir.
out.
Opo.
Mayong program na nangyari dahil ang budget nga ni 200,000 lang. Kaya being office na under ang solo parent, wala mo kamong balak na magsagibo man ng activity ang solo parent.
Ang ano po, sir, nag-ano po in partnership sa federation po, kang solo parent, nagkakaigwa din po sila ng activities, nag-carry out po sila ng activities, ang solo parent, without depending on the, nagkaka-activity pa rin po, although may yung budget.
Kasi pag-carry ka mga programs without budget, dahil mangyayari. Baka gusto ba nilang padagdagan o dagdagan?
Mr. Chair.
Kung pwede pong dagdagan, sir. Kung pwede po.
Kaya nga, dapat sa Indo yan,
Opo.
being kamo itong opisina na nag-handle kayo, dapat kamo mismo itong mag-request kayo yan.
Ito pong sa program ni DAIS, itong magtaon ng incentive po, naka-charge po siya sa Local Development Fund, yung pong pension.
Si pension.
Apo.
Kaya nga, aside from the pension, may saro pa nga ni itong sa honor incentive. Kaya lang sinasabi mo, included na digdi. Kung i-include to digdi, mayo ng budget for the operation ang solo parent.
Opo, as per ano po, inquiry po kay Ma'am Bell, included siya, sir, sa budget na 1,084,000.
Pwedeng mahagad ko na lang si breakdown kang Quenindo. Breakdown kay ni yung si work and financial plan for the solo parent.
Opo. Sige po.
Okay. Other question from the CSWD?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Councilor Gale.
In relation po naman sa concern, siguro ba ko lang sa solo parents, pero ang hapot ko po, kang nag-giraray kaning mga PPAs, na-check pa, na-evaluate man si mga programa, itong sinasabi nga ni na programs, na-evaluate ang programs, kung gaano ka-effective sinda. Tangaring maaraman ta kung dapat ba binabudgetan ta pa yan o ini yung i-revise ta, ini-ayuson ta. Kung igwa ba kita kayan on a regular basis? Yes. Kasi baka, tapos itong i-clarify ta talaga kung program ini, assistance ini yung, kasi ang assistance itself, it's not supposed to be a program, di ba? So, arin dyan. Kasi definitely itong assistance dahil lalo na si mga mandated, dapat igwa talaga siyang budget.
Opo.
Oo. Tapos, ang saro mandigdiyo, kasi unlike other apod ka ini areas sa LGU, si God lugod ang nagpaparahanap na maka-mainstream. Kasi iyo man yan ang hinahagad sa mo. So si solo parents, pwede kaya ining very clear ini na pwede ining i-mainstream with God. So si God budget kang si CSW, baka pwedeng makashare. Kung talagang kulang, pwedeng makashare yon. Oo, mapag-guide na lang garo kay Aldo. No?
Okay,
oo, kung talagang yung makukuanan. Ayo po yan. Mr. Chair, may hapot lang ako digdi sa presentation kay Mr. Chair. Nagre-request sinda for additional service vehicle. Tama ni ano?
Sa CSWD, ma'am. Balik kita sa CSWD.
Opo, sorry. So, nagre-request for additional service vehicle.
Without, yan ma'am, sa budget ni, kung just in case po, matawan di, okay. Pero kung, ang sango niyan po kay do ang service mi, si Saro po, piglaog na sa,
Shop.
Opo, sa ano po, sa tuyang
Motor pool.
Motor pool po.
Motor pool.
Bigla og tanan po kasi day na talaga siya nag-aandar, si Luma po. Kaedad po to ni Sir Jim, joke na.
Sir Jim pa ito.
Kaya asaro na lang po ang nag-aandar tang ano. Just in case po pwede, kung dai po okay man po.
Tapos Mr. Chair, ining another request kaya ninda na additional staff, preferably social workers. Pira ining additional staff.
Sa ngunyan kay ma'am, totoo ang office igwang 10 social workers, pero po dahil nagdadakula din po ang may mga division po ang ang CSWDO, kulang po talaga ang social workers.
Licensed ini.
Opo, yes
Oo.
ma'am.
Ano ang chance sa current structure kang opisina nindo? Itong mga ibang empleyado, of course, may schooling involved
Yes po.
digdi.
Yes po.
Pero ano ang chance na itong yaon man lang sa laog, nagsasakat ko ta na, 'di ba? Kasi
Kailan po ma'am,
para sa ko din kaya itong
May professional growth po.
professional growth man ninda iniyo, 'di ba? Na ang iba nga ni pag hiniling mo diyan garo kulang na laman lang si
Yes po,
lisensya.
Yes, ma'am.
Kasi yun ang gibo ninda aram-aram niya na. Pero paano kung encourage ta din sinda?
Yes, ma'am.
Na
Kaya lang po,
i-achieve yun.
pag may ano kaya ma'am, pag pigsabi mi ng magklase, syempre ma'am, may financial consideration. Ako na ninda. Actually po, kang time pa ni sir, may pira kami dyan ka-office mate na nag-start na hanggang ngunyan, di na siya nagpadagos. Because kasabay niya na si Aki niya nagkaklase ng college. So, yun po. Ang ano mi lang ma'am, pag sa action niya, pero po, pag hinanap kaya ma'am talaga ang, halimbawa po sa mga rescue or sa ano, kaipuhan no, may licensed social worker na kaibanan.
So, pirang ngunyan ang license ta?
10 po. 10. Kaya lang po, ang 2 po naka-deploy sa shelter. The rest po, yaon sa...
May requirement ka iyan, Mayo man. May requirement ngayon ang region na dapat this number of population, iniman ang number of social
Sa
workers.
shelter po,
dapat.
ma'am. Sa shelter po.
Okay.
Igwa. Si average kang Aki na tapos si social worker na ma-handle. Pero po sa office, not necessary man po.
So pira ini ang nire-request ko ta na.
Kumpira po, mama po itao. Dahil mo, kung saro po, okay man po. Kung pwede lang pong madagdagan.
Pero meaning
Welcome.
hire ini.
Opo.
Internally, ma-qualify for this, di ba?
Ayun po. Ito po kaping sarong JO, pero po, license siya ma'am na social worker, pero JO siya ngunyan. Pero yan sa office ta, nakaasa.
Okay. May iba pa po. Ma'am, si status lang kadtong sa children's home, anong status na kadtong lilipatan?
Actually po sir, ang sabi ninda, day pa nagpupuon kasi po si program of works, day po na-include si labor. Kaya po pig-ulit.
Ako na Sir Masimbag.
Day pa po nag-i-start. Pero ang arami po, July pa po ito pig-follow up. Until now po, Mayo pa po ning...
So hanggang ngunyan yan pa manggirari si mga aki digdi
Yes
sa...
po.
Sana may dali. Sir Ansel, baka may simbag ka?
Diba sir, sa status katong children's home, nalilipat naman sa bahay, sa nursery. Nagka-problema po kaya dahil nag-to-fail bidding siya. Kasi si Inot na design, ang intention pala by admin. So may nag-bid. Ngunya po, big adjust from 560,000 to 930,000. Hopefully by December, magkagawa na yung notice of award. Okay. So naging 930,000 na po from 560. Two publications kami na mga nagpa-participate.
No rin si next schedule bidding?
Mga around, ang bidding po kayo mga around second week of December.
Okay. Pero si time frame kang construction?
90 days po.
90 days. So, baka. Debutan pa mga April. Ayan. Pero ngunyan ma'am ang aki ta dyan?
18 po, sir.
Okay nga ni. Sa dito na ang lugar.
Opo. Tapos day po kita allowed mag-admit mo na as per recommendation po kang RJGWC.
Kaya nga ni.
Pero kung may Anyway, sige sir. Since the 930 months, ang sarong option available, gibon mi siyang small, since yung si back chairman, ang option mi is gibon na lang small value procurement. Kasi ang publication days, shorter period, 7 days lang. So, pag na-publish siya early on, siguro mga, next week pwede na. First week of December pwede na po.
Oo. Lalo na kung abutan summer dyan ang mga aki, mainito na maray.
Sige po.
Baka pwedeng ma-facilitate na
Sige
madali. Sige. Ay ma'am, saro na lang itong mga kuyan. This December, may mga maarabutan man yan digdi mga aki na itong mga badyaw. Handa kita kayan.
Yes, sir. Actually po, Saturday, may start po kami sa sentro po. May po sinda, sir, ang observation, nagdadakol sinda pag Friday, Saturday, then by Sunday, na naman sinda.
By standby lang
Apo,
mo.
apo.
Okay. May iba pa po for the CSWD. Councilor Ryan.
Just to put clarity, Mr. Chair, regarding the questions on aid in crisis situation or the AICS, relative to the question of the chairperson as to whether or not there's still budget this year, there is a 400,000 that is correct under the mayor's office or the donations account, but I think that is different with the AICS, which is lodged before the CSWDO. The donations under the mayor's office is not the one being used for aid in crisis situation, if that is correct, Mr. Chair.
May we know from Ma'am Sheila?
Si AICS, iba sa donations kang mayor's office. Ibang account.
Ang ni-utilize pong AX under donation lang.
Sa Indo.
Sa donation sa ano po?
Under the CSWD.
Opo, sa CSWD po. Na donation na pigdagdagan po nag-reversion ng 10 million. Ayun lang po. Opo. Pero di ba po itong donation, sir?
So that is different from the donations account under the city mayor's office.
Yeah, tama. Pero ang endorsement coming from the city mayor's office.
Yes.
So di ba nakaka-disburse ang CSWD or nakaka-grant ng AICS without the endorsement from the mayor's office?
May mga cases, sir, na sample po kung ang naghahagad po is senior na, dahil na din po na pa dyan, kami na lang po ang nag-a-assess. Then, pag mayo po ng endorsement, picture-charge may po sa AX kang executive po.
Okay.
Sige. Also, Mr. Chair, under the Paskuhan account, there is only 12 million. So, I understand this is not enough. In fact, this year, we have sourced from different sources, especially from the DILG, itong Falgu.
Falgu.
No? So, duman tatabi tig-charge itong some other some other amounts. So, just for the direction, Mr. Chair, ang direction tabi kang si executive or si LGU Naga, we give Paskuhan to all households in the city of Naga, starting this year. Under the solo parents, Mr. Chair, siguro i-clarify ta lang with the budget office. Kasi in the presentation, ang amount talaga ninda is 1,084,000.
Yes.
Versus duman sa page 132 na 550,000 pesos.
Opo.
So 1,084,000.
1,084,000 ang
for
budget
solo
ng
parents,
solo
not 550, Mr. Chair.
Dahil, ang sinasabi kong 550, duman lang sa other MOOE na kung digdi i-charge itong honor incentive, mayo ng matatada for the operation of the solo parent. office.
So, if that is the case, Mr. Chair, what is very important here is the PMP.
Yeah.
On how the budget will be allotted or
kaya
allocated,
inahagad ko
Mr.
si
Chair. Thank you.
PPMP. Yes, po, we will submit.
Work in Financial Plan and the PPMP of the Solo Parent Office. Okay. Sige. Any other? Okay, hearing none, we excuse Ma'am Sheila.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Next, the NCCW acknowledge presence of Sir Aldo.
Marina po sa inyo, boss, to the honorable members of the committee.
Sige. Question po from the committee. NC Gadsi. Alat. Bakong digdi ka na sa mo?
Yes, sir. Actually, sir, may clarification po ako sa bago duman sa personnel kang NCCW, kang NC Gadsi. Actually, sir, ito pong structure niya, paghihilingon ta, mayo talaga siya. Kasi po, ako is from SP, tapos po itong duwang personnel na casual, detailed po hali sa CMO. So, pag hiniling mo yung structure, mayo siyang personnel. Kaya po, it will lead
Pero,
duman...
pero isa yung nyan ang nagtatao sa opisina.
Ako po, sir.
Ika. Di ka.
Yes, sir.
Sa ng opisina nindo?
Duman, sir, sa kataid po kang Naga City Bantay Pamilya.
So share ka mong building?
Yes, sir.
With
Shared po.
So as of today, ika plus itong duwa from Mayor's Office?
Yes, sir. Si Saro nga, sir.
Di tama man ito?
Yes po. Although, sir, si Saro, banga man po kami kang Naga City Bantay Pamilya, duman sa Sarong Casual, kasi nga po, kulang man ang staff kang Naga City Bantay Pamilya Protection Center. So, nagbabanga man po kami.
Sige. Anyway, may sadiring office na baga ang GAD and may mga plantilla position na vacant. Ano. So, it's up to the executive kung papanuan ini.
Yes, sir.
Sige. Question from the committee. The representative of the Gender and Development Council. Amay man. Anong page ang GADSI? Page number 6. So sa kunyan, na-brought out na ni Kasubago, ni Councilor Gale. Itong 5%, kamo nag sa sum up, kamo itong may list kang composition kadtong 5%?
Yes, sir. Kami po nagko-consolidating office. Nagduduman po kami sa mga offices para mahiligan mo itong mga programa nila na nagsisibag ng gender issue. Tapos nilalaag tapos agad pa rin budget. Kung saan po nahiling duman, kung ang LGU nag-comply ba duman sa mandate kang GMC 2013-01 na at least 5% po.
Kaya nga di may, kung hagadon may silista kang composition kadtong mainstream 5%.
Yes, sir.
May isasubmit mo sa mo?
Yes po.
For 2026?
Yes, sir.
Sige, mahagad kaming copy.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Miss BJ?
Hello?
Sige, please proceed.
Okay. Mr. Chair, we were discussing it already with Sir Aldo. For the record lang, Sir Aldo, did we reach already the 5%?
Yes, sir. Actually po, naglapas kita.
Ilang percent?
5.3% kita.
Okay. So, for the record po, we already reached 5.3%.
For 2026 po.
For 2026.
Any other comments? Queries? Si Ma'am Eva. Sige. Lumayo na. We proceed with the next office. Councilor Jepson.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. May I ask, Mr. Chair, kung magurano po si budget for the Pride Month celebration for next year.
Yeah. Pardon, sir?
The budget for the Pride Month celebration next year.
Hello. Sorry, sir. Actually, sir, igwa kitang 3 advocacy events na tig sa celebrar every year. Igwa kitang Women's Month kung saan po nag-alokar kitang 100,000. Igwa po kitang Pride Month, nag-alokar man po kita ng 100,000 for the next year. And igwa po kitang 18-day campaign to end vow na nag-alokar po kita ng 50,000 pesos. So, yearly ta po yan tigo-observe. Buot man nga po kang opisina kung pwedeng dagdagan ang satuyang MOOE ta ngunya sa 2026 po kung mahiling ta igwa pong decrease kang si MOOE ta siguro po 87,000 pesos si decrease niya.
Pero po sir, si estimated na nagastos for 2025 for the Pride Month celebration?
For the Pride Month celebration, sir, if I'm not mistaken, sir, siguro nasa 200,000. Nagtapo kita may mga partnership man po sa mga officer. Actually, sir, si always man po, sir, natap me man for the celebration. Thank you, sir.
Thank you po.
Mr. Chair.
Sige. Miss BJ.
Hello? Hello? Okay. I believe po kasi that the budget allocation, ito na lang yung binigay.
Yes,
Tama po ba? Kasi kailangan paghati-hatian na lang, right? So I guess, Mr. Chair, baka pwede din po madagdagan ang budget ni GAD, especially sa celebrations ng Women's Month as well as ng Pride Month. Kasi yung budget allocation is only for 100,000, pero yung nagagastos po for Pride Month alone is more than 200,000. It's not just a celebration po kasi it's a form of protest. Medyo, sabi po nga ni Councilor Gil before, mapara pa program kita, mananao kitang prizes, pero isusolicit ta. So, mas magayon kung halip po sa tuya mismo ang money.
How much is the requested amount?
We can add up, sir, to 150,000 for the MOE.
Di pa siya included digdi
Mr.
sa...
Chair, sorry
Councilor
po,
Gay.
ma-react ako as a co-chair of the GAD Council. May understanding kaya po kami na yes, we can have celebrations, pero this time ang thrust is service. So kung madagdag kami, Mr. Chair, ng budget para sa celebration, mas maray pang year-round, may program kami for the LGBT sector.
Yes, agree po.
Iyo po yan kaya so sa agreement. And if we do that kaya na para activity-based na naman kami na nakakarga lang sa GAD office, imi po maa-achieve si goal na hinahagad sa to. Pigre-require talaga kita ng mainstream.
Yes, ma'am.
Kaya pagkang pinahiling sa ko si budget, mamundoon na maray, tadikiton, garo pang office supplies lang. Pero sabi ko kay Aldo, ang silver lining kani is, si haloy tanang daing nagigibo na dapat naka-mainstream kita sa offices, sa departments, magigibo ta siya. So, just so ma-appease po si worry kang si sector, pati kang women sector, actually may reaction man. Ang dapat pagpursigihan kang opisina, kang GAD office is, na iyo ang mandato, work closely talaga with the other departments, duman makua kang si budget, kaining mga activities and si mga kaipuhan ta talagang mga celebrations man, tada ita man yan wawaraon.
Yes, ma'am.
Pero ang pwede tang makua kaya si kulang pag talagang pigtutukan ta ang mga programa kang kada opisina. Kaya pag hiniling mo makahadit, pero pagpigibo ta ang trabaho kang GAD office kung ano talaga dapat ang function, dapat di kita mahadit. Kasi takulaon na maray ang budget kang GAD.
Sige po.
Sige. Halaton tayo itong hinagad ta kay Aldo na composition, katong 5% GAD. Hilingan ta duman. Pati ba utilization, kamo din ang monitor?
Yes, sir. May ano nga sir, igo kitang COA finding sa utilization and gender and development. Nahiling ta po, very obvious na medyo kulang talaga kita sa tao. So, ngunyan po, ang pag-track ng utilization is manual. ang pagtrakta. Kaya medyo sa opisina, pati ng opisina, medyo matrabahosong maray. Pero kinakaya man po ang opisina.
Okay. Sige. So, na rin mo pwedeng ma-submit sa MUYA?
Pwede sir ngunyan po.
Okay. Sige.
Thank you, sir.
Mahagad kami. Copy,
Thank you po.
So, okay. May iba pang question on the Gender and Development Office? Kumay na. Thank you, Aldo. Alutin mo lang si hinahagad ming copy.
Yes, sir. Salamat po.
Okay, thank you. We proceed to next office, the Children's Affairs Office. Question? May isna kan malo.
Fasting.
Question from the committee. Page 8.
Tinanap ko. Ano page? 8 and 23. Only si 23 ma? Sa LBP form. Okay. Sa LBP. Okay.
Tan.
Si 6 million. Page 8. On C.
Sige. Sige na. Okay, sige. Guys, from how much supposedly 1% of NTA?
May I ask, from the budget office, kasi po, kung nagbago po si initial amount na tig-tao or dati lang po ba?
Tama ba na ang NTA for this year is, for next year is 1,233,461, ay, 1,233,461,274. Tama po ba? $1 billion, 225 million, 400,
1,000.
443,
460
460,
and 274 pesos.
why duman sa presentation ni Sir Willie, ang nakalaag 1,233.
Ito po kayang 1,233,000,000, ito po si external sources from national. Ang composition po kato, NTA, yung 1.2.
May ko yan pa, may...
Opo. May share from economic zone na 7 million. May share from Philippine Coconut Authority na 1,000 pesos.
Okay.
And yung
So
pong
may other sources
share,
pa.
opo,
Okay.
share from Pagcor
So para
and
clear,
PCSO.
ang NTA ta is 1,225,460,274.
Opo.
Okay. So ang 1% kayan is 12,254,602.74. Tama. Kung ang budget for the Children's Affairs Office 6,259,701, since we agreed na i-mainstream, sa inapaduman si remaining kaini.
Ang makumpleto po katong million po. Ang computation mi po, si sa children, ang pigkuami lang po nga ni si MOE portion na 4.8.
May presentation ka mo?
Ay.
May kuyan. Para mahiling mi. Ready bang garo ka mo? Mahiling mi lang si computation.
Ayan po. Ang pigkuami lang po si MOE na 4.8. Sa seed po, si MOE Nyaman. Sa Popcom po, si sa ano lang yan, hot lunch feeding. Na ang originally po, 2.3 million lang yan, pero may 1.5 million pong hali sa budget ng children na nilipat po dyan. Tapos po, i-add pa ang Sanggawadan and Queen, yun na po yan, may 28 million pong pwedeng i-account na yun na siya para sa children na 1%. Bali po more than double.
That's the composition of the budget for children.
Opo.
Bako siya itong 1% intended for LCPC. Duwang klase ang budget for children. One is the 1% requirement for the LCPC and itong kabilugan na budget kang children. Ang hinahapot ko ngunyan, itong 1% na intended for the LCPC, nangunyan, ang allocation lang for the Children's Affairs Office is 6,259,701 napasain si remaining allocation. Iyan, baka mahapotin do si ito guys, itong sa budget. Si budget, itong representative kang council sa Gina. Baka mahapotin do si Gina. Si Gina ang nag-aaram ka yan. Ining pinahiling nindo, the budget yan for the children. Ang hinahanap mi itong for the LCPC. Dati, gabo siya nakalad sa Children's Affairs Office. Kaya lang, ginibuhan ordinance ni Sir Frank na i-mainstream. Yan ang hinahanap ko ngunyan. Si pig mainstream nindo for the 1% for LCPC.
Mr. Chair, pwede po kami mag-request na i-park mo na yung topic na ni. Pwede pong mabalikan ni later pag may another group. Ikaw pa pong saro na sa social sector pa man.
Sige. So, we defer consideration for the Office of the Children's Affairs Office.
Mr. Chair, baka for consideration na po sa sunod na presentation, kung sinasabi kaya na mainstream, ang hinahagad baga, gabus ko na agencies sa LGU na nagkikater sa children. Yun na tong naka-lodge man ko na garo in effect garo sharing. Iniyo kaya po, ang hapot ko man lang, Mr. Chair, kung na-exhaust ta ba across all offices of the department, arin sa gabos na ini ang nagkikater sa mga kaakian. So therefore, duman siya dapat i-mainstream whether di hahalato na mag-request si office. Pero Mr. Chair, sa ano na po yan? Sa sunod na lang na pag-present, tapig defer taman. Tangarig sa laruan na lang siya.
Yes.
Okay, so iya po to. So, we excuse. Ang dating nag-handle ken si Ma'am Miss Gina. Baka matabangan ka mo. And also, since ma-present man for the mainstreaming of children, i-request naman dagos kay Aldo, instead of submitting to us, please present to us. Dahil manggaro halawig ang presentation. Mahiling mi lang si composition. Okay? With deeper consideration for the Children's Affairs Office, we proceed to Oscar. Dapat pala nainot sinda.
Mr. Chair. Mr. Chairman.
Pero bago yan, Councilor Rayan.
Just for the guidance of the executive to prepare, Mr. Chair, may we be clarified as to what we will be preparing and presenting. Number one, the mainstreaming of the budget insofar as children is concerned. But heard earlier about the LCPC being different. So that we will be presenting the correct one, Mr. Chair.
Supposedly kaya ang LCPC, igwa siyang 1% coming from equivalent duman sa NTA na may budget iyan. Kailangan yan, ang ginibuta, dati nakalodge lang siya gabos sa Children's Affairs Office. Kung pira itong 1%, gabos siya nakalaag duman sa Children's Affairs Office. Ngunyan baga, si Direction Indo, i-mainstream. So, ang budget na lang kang Children's Affairs Office nasa 6.2. So, may pig mainstream, kumpira si difference katong 12 million digdi sa budget na ni. Iyo man lang to ang kaipuan i-present sa into naglaog.
We submit, Mr. Chair.
Oo. And then, kaipuhan mi pa din itong, although dahil man siya digdi sa budget, naghahagad kaya kayan during the audit, itong child-friendly local governance audit, hinihiling kung piragabos itong total budget for children. So, kunikwintayin, pirang percent ba kang annual budget nindo itong for children? Iyon na itong pinahiling ni Amy Casubago na may mga kulang pa ito, may mga dagdag pa. So.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Okay, thank you. So, we proceed. Sorry, sir, dahil may na si priority. Nag-base kami sa presentation, kaya sorry ha. Dapat ka mo ang nainot. So, we acknowledge the presence of Sir Jim Reblando. Questions from the committee? Councilor Jess.
Ang social pension po. Ang social
bago ka magsimbag, Sir Jim, ihapot mo na, ang social pension ba kang senior kabali sa OSCA or may separate LDF?
LDF. Sa LDF po siya
Sige.
naka-charge.
Sige po. So, charge po niya sa LDF.
Oo.
Sir Jim, please answer.
Ang pagkaaral ko po na membro kaayan or beneficiaries are 1,200. This is being catered by